Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Know your oath and protect it, never tolerating insult. In life, you must never tolerate insults, not because you are arrogant, but because you understand your value. When you allow someone to insult you repeatedly, you teach them that disrespect is acceptable. But when you calmly draw boundaries, you teach the world how you deserve to be treated. One of the most important lessons you will ever learn is this: never tolerate insults. Because the moment you allow disrespect, you compromise the foundation of your self worth. Life will test you with people who mock you, underestimate you, or try to make you feel small, not because you are weak, but because some people project their own insecurities through disrespect. You cannot control how others behave, but you can absolutely control what you accept. Many people believe that strength is shown through reacting quickly, speaking loudly, or defending your pride at all costs. But life will teach you something different. Real strength is not shown in how forcefully you respond, but in how intentionally you respond. A powerful person does not rush. A wise person does not react. A confident person does not get pulled into emotional chaos. This is the life lesson most people never learn until life humbles them. 1. Disrespect is a reflection of the person giving it, not the one receiving it. When someone tries to insult you, understand this clearly. It is not about you, it is about them. A person who is secure, at peace, and fulfilled does not waste their energy trying to crush someone else. 2. Your reaction is a mirror of your inner strength. Every reaction you give is a message. If you react emotionally, you show you can be controlled. If you react instantly, you show you can be manipulated. If you react calmly, you show strength. If you do not react at all, you show mastery. You must understand this. People who try to hurt you depend on your reaction to validate their behavior. Your silence ruins their strategy. Your calmness destroys their power. Your emotional control exposes their emotional weakness. When you stay composed in the face of disrespect, you do not just win, you rise. 3. There is power in pausing. You do not need to give an answer in the same second an insult arrives. The pause is where your intelligence wakes up. 4. Respond with strategy, not emotion. There are three levels of responding to disrespect. Level 1. Emotional reaction. You fight, argue, shout, defend, or attack. This gives the other person control. Level 2. Calm response. You address the situation without losing yourself. You keep your dignity and clarity. Level 3. No reaction. You walk away. You elevate above the situation. You refuse to let negativity pull you down. The highest level is not about avoidance, it is about intelligence. You realize your energy is too expensive to spend on meaningless conflict. 5. Your peace is your responsibility. When you grow emotionally, you begin to protect your peace like a treasure, and it is a treasure. Your peace determines how well you think, how well you sleep, how well you work, how well you love, how well you live. When someone tries to disturb it, understand they are not attracting you. They are attracting your peace, and your job is to protect it. 6. Walking away is the ultimate sign of strength. People think walking away is weak, but in reality, weak people fight for attention. Strong people walk away from disrespect. Wise people do not enter battles that cost them their peace. Walking away says, I value myself more than this argument. I refuse to match your negative energy. I choose self respect over drama. You do not lose anything by walking away. You lose yourself by staying where disrespect is allowed. 7. You teach people how to treat you. Every reaction you give is training. If you tolerate disrespect, it will continue. If you remain silent forever, people may assume you accept mistreatment. If you set boundaries calmly and clearly, people learn your value. If you walk away from toxic behavior, they understand you have standards. Never be afraid to teach people how to treat you. Never be afraid to demand respect. Never be afraid to remove yourself from situations that dishonor your worth. Age. The highest form of maturity is emotional independence. Emotional independence means other people's opinions do not define you. Other people's moods do not control you. Other people's behavior does not shake you. Other people's loudness does not silence your inner peace. This is the level where you become untouchable. Not because people stop insulting you, not because the world becomes kinder, but because you have mastered yourself, and the one who masters himself masters life. When you rise above disrespect, you rise above the world. You will meet disrespect. You will face insults. You will encounter people whose only goal is to hurt your confidence. But remember this, your reaction determines who you are. Their insult determines who they are. Stay calm, stay centered, stay grounded. Do not let anyone's disrespect become your downfall. Let it become the moment you discover the depth of your strength. When you learn to walk away from disrespect with grace and confidence, you step into a higher version of yourself. A version that is unshakable, a version that is powerful, a version that cannot be controlled, a version that has mastered the art of self respect. And that version of you, that is the one who becomes unstoppable. Thank you, my dear subscriber, for being here with me. Your support means everything to me. I hope this story touched your heart. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing, and never stop believing in the power of consistent daily action. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.